PB in the house, guys. The T-Birds. Big game this week, guys. Been recording both of these teams lately, and they finally meet up. Shout out Aaron. Shout out Eric.
They borrowed this shit. I thought of this shit. They thought it was it. I'm bugging this shit. They barking this shit. Smile. I sell myself short if I grin. I'm bargaining them. Apartments and shit. I could park in this shit. Just in case I got fucked up, showed up in public out of nowhere. Knock me down one shit, I finna get him twice. Pistol on fire, pistol on fire. Keep it on me cause these streets never call. This neighbor too fast, come on, and I will never spend nothing. I'm on these hoes, pistol on fire, pistol on fire, pistol on fire.
Father and son. You look back at this, Eric, and be like, damn.
I got some needs. I need the money, like I need to breathe. I need finance and I need to scheme. I need to
T-Birds, bro. T-Birds, bro.
Hold on. We got this.
To the bottom, selling drugs, never want to try some niggas jealous, they want to do.
We got the T-Birds and Prolific. Who's the home? Prolific's home. T-Birds, you get the call. My name is Gator. Who's you talking? You talking? Spearhead goes a long way, all right? We got heads, we got tails, okay? Prolific is the home team, so T-Birds will call it there, okay? You're going to call it there, call it when I flip it. Tails you call. What is it? Should I believe you? Well, I'm just saying, step back. Let me get up. That's what I'm talking. Let me do my job here, guys. I got you. It is a tail. So you all right, huh? So what you want to do? You want to kick, defend, defer, receive. Defer to the second half. What you guys want to do? Who are we? Who we have? What? What do we do? What? What's our name? What's our name? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, guys. T-Birds versus the Breed, bro. Both teams are undefeated. Easily the game of the week. Short kick. Did they get it? T-Birds just got it, bro. T-Birds just got it. Let's go. Okay. Not yet. There it is. Yeah, guys, we have two great teams today, man. Should be a good one. Ooh, it's windy. Got him. See if they can establish that run game. PB there. Okay, guys, now we get to see Eric and PB after that stop. Oh, what a false start. Oh, boy, Eric. To run. You know, watching the T-Birds the last 2 weeks, for sure their defense is underrated, man. They got some ballers on there. some yards though. Almost got kicked out of the game, but ooh. We fixed it though. Shout out Borderline Sports. That's high. It's gonna be a turnover. Alright, here we go. It wasn't a turnover, sorry about that. Okay guys. Again, but we'll see how this comes out. Oh, ball hit the ground. Alright, let me switch. Over spot. Low snap again. I gotta get that snap up. Good game right there. Jules ball. Ooh, something right there. Okay. The Birds. First down. Low. Alright guys, so they switched. Yeah, let me get a better stop. Ooh, shoot. Whoa, he laid the wood there. Oz. Okay, this is the best spot I could get. There's a lot of people here. And yeah, they're really being a little strict with who's recording right now. So, I'm gonna hold this spot down. I just bring it up because of my lens, guys. I don't have the most crazy lens, so I gotta make, like, this is the most zoomed out it goes. Ooh. Why not? Alright. Looks like we're gonna false start. Still 0-0. With their punting. Okay guys, I'm gonna run down there. Alright, here we go. Jules and the T-Bird take over. Grab. They did. Jules. Okay. Couple yards there. On this windy morning between the undefeated teams, man. Thank y'all for watching so far. Look at run. You know what? The running strategy is not bad, bro. It's killing clock. It's breaking them down. You know, 0-0. They're trying to grind it out. Jules. Another one. Yeah, bro. Ground and pound. Jules. I lost that one. I'm sorry, guys. And I was behind the line of scrimmage. Got a really good game, guys. Sweet. Good tackle. Alright guys, here we go. Oh, they got a flag. They're pumped. Alright, T-Birds are gonna move up now. heck out of the ball, bro. I really wonder if this is what they like are planning on doing. I like it though, like straight up. It's getting crazy, guys. 0-0 still. Roll out. Oh. Jules' helmet is off. I don't think I got that. Is he hurt? Bro, I didn't get that. Light him up. 0 points, bro. And that, shout out to Eric, bro. 0-0. First half. Undefeated teams.
It don't work. A timeout doesn't negate that. You can't buy him in. His helmet came off. Come out. So he took it again. So we call a timeout. Hey, go watch the ball.
I don't know something about his helmet.
So I play right here. Hey, Angel. Hey, come down. Come down. Keep on. The helmet came off. Listen, we got a high school referee right here. You can't buy him. He ain't repping. You can't buy him. He ain't repping. We'll show you. Right. He ain't repping.
They're saying he's a ref. The guy in the other shirt. Here we go, guys. Huge play. Oh! They can move, they can move, they can move. Oh, again! Damn. T-Birds are playing, they're playing ball, bro. They're playing chess right now. Oh, wait. No, it's false start. I take that back. PB's playing chess, bro. Jules versus Eric, bro. Alright, that's turnover. They're gonna call a timeout though. Way down here. That's my fault. He just picked it. And it's halftime, y'all. 0-0 at half. PB versus the T-Birds. We got a game. 0-0. We got a game, boys. Onside. Ooh. You know how hard that is? Props, bro. You covered it. Up the middle. Stuffed. Okay. Are they figuring out the run scheme now? Jules. Oh, short. Good play action, but a little short. Ooh. Okay. PB holds, bro. Turnover. Oh. Dang, he read that. Take off. Ooh. Good line. First down. Okay. I'll start. Second. Let's see if Eric. Oh. Got him. PB takes the lead. Eric. Oh. Did he get it, yo? Did that count? Oh, he just took it. Damn. That was crazy, bro. Oh, bro. Little snap. Zero one. What the heck? That speed right there on the edge. T-Birds still down two touchdowns. Oh, again, bro. Damn, bro. I guess that's how the touchdowns coming out. Props to the breed, bro. They're gonna take this game. Defense won for them. Stand right here.
No problem. No problem.
Eric, he's throwing up the dib. Stand in the bag on this one. Or did he? His last two touchdowns I missed. Mm-hmm.
Watch quarterback. Quarterback run.
Just run it. It's over. Mm-hmm.
Go, Chris, get up.
I wasn't ready for that one. Don't score. I'm gonna get angle. See which one turns up. I'm expecting a huge ass touchdown. What did I tell you? Oh. Low key, look at that, bro. 1-on-1. I really hope. Again. That's ball game. Alright, let's go see the handshake. Alright, guys, so the Breed gets the dub, man, and they stay undefeated. What a game. Shout out to Eric and the Breed. Shout out to Aaron and T-Birds. Like, comment, subscribe. I found out these teams are going to play again, guys, at the end of the season. Looking forward to that. Look at that. It's all respect, bro. Shout out to Coach. I like these teams, bro. Good teams right here, man. Future is bright for youth football.
Listen, first of all, way to respond in the second half. You understand? Yes, sir. All right, another thing I like to see is today y'all were taking coaching, and for the most part, I didn't see no sad faces. It was just, yes, coach, and we was fucking responding. That's what it needs to be, guys. You understand that? Hopefully today we grew more as a team. These are the type of games where that happens. Y'all understand? When we come back to practice, understand what we need to work on. Guys, we're not just doing it to do it. We do it because the shit, it works when you get out here. You understand that? So this week, it needs to be no drop off. We need to find another level in practice. We need to find it. That comes from competition and intensity. Everybody understand that? All right, great job.
Hey, bring it up. Hey, let's get a break. Get up out of here.